Motorcycle won't start? Let's fix that, together. Before you panic, take a deep breath. Sometimes the solution is simpler than you think. Let's check a few things that could be causing the issue. These steps are easy to follow and can save you a trip to the mechanic. First up, the battery. Is it dead? A dead battery is one of the most common reasons a motorcycle won't start. Try jump-starting it. If that doesn't work, check the terminals for corrosion. Corroded terminals can prevent the battery from delivering power to the engine. Clean them up using a wire brush or a terminal cleaner and give it another go. You might be surprised at how often this simple step works. Next, let's look at the fuel system. Fuel issues are another common culprit. Is there gas in the tank? It sounds silly, but it happens. Sometimes we overlook the most obvious things. Make sure the fuel valve is open. If the valve is closed, fuel can't reach the engine and your bike won't start. And if your bike has a carburetor, check for clogs. A clogged carburetor can prevent fuel from mixing properly with air, which is essential for combustion. Finally, inspect the spark plugs. Spark plugs are crucial for igniting the fuel-air mixture in the engine. Are they dirty or worn out? Dirty or worn out spark plugs can cause weak sparks or no sparks at all. Give them a clean or replace them if needed. Cleaning spark plugs can be done with a wire brush or spark plug cleaner. A fresh spark plug can make all the difference. It ensures a strong spark, which is vital for starting your engine. There you have it. 3 quick checks to get your bike running. These simple steps can often solve the problem without any professional help. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content like this. Have a safe ride. Thanks for watching. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent many of these issues. See you next time.